Are you ready to set up staff and schedules in Nookal? Keep watching and I'll guide you through the process. When you first log into your account, you will see that Nookal has created a staff profile for yourself based on the details you entered when creating the trial account. You can add as many staff as you require by clicking here. Let's take a closer look at what needs to be added to your staff profile. Of course, we have our basic staff information that can be completed, as well as the position, discipline, and the option to add a custom signature for the staff members' letters, reports, and emails. Under Account, you want to make sure the staff member is active and that they have an email and password set up for them to access their account. You can allocate a permission group, making sure that you maintain the owner permission level if you are the owner of this account. Next, if you're a provider who will require a space in the diary, you'll need to select Provider and then Diary, and then add your provider or registration numbers so that you can raise invoices and make claims with this number. You can select the list of services that you offer, add individual invoice terms. These will override your location's invoice terms, and enable integrations so that this provider is available for online bookings. Finally, save these changes and let's go check out our staff in the diary and importantly, create their schedules. In the diary, you can see that we have our allied health location, our provider, and the diary space. Nookal will automatically create a 9 to 5 Monday to Friday schedule with a break, which you will see reflected in the diary, with white space indicating availability and blue space indicating unavailability. This will become even more important when you set up your online booking platform. So let's take a look at setting up schedules. From the diary page, let's click on the Options tab on the top right-hand side. You can make a few changes to what you wish to have visible in your personal diary view, and then scroll down and select the staff member who you want to create a new schedule for. As I mentioned, Nookal will automatically create a weekly schedule for you, but if you work different hours on different days, I'd suggest deleting this entry by clicking on the detailed view and clicking on the trash icon here. Now you can start building your schedule by clicking Add Schedule and then selecting Work Week. You will want to select the days where you work the same hours. So if on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, you work 9 AM until 2 PM, you can add this schedule in for these days. Starting today, with an indefinite end date, and then adding in any breaks you might like, including a designated lunch break. You can build as many different schedules as you require to account for different days and times that you may work. Let's go check this new schedule out in our diary. Great, now we have our providers set up, our schedules designed, and you're all ready to start making bookings.